You can never have enough flowers, so I decided to go from this to this by making 2 mini flower borders in the corners of the raised beds in my kitchen garden. All I need is some string, a pair of scissors, tin shears, and the border itself. I use a string to map out where I want the border to be and also as a means to figure out how long it needs to be. This is my first time using tin shears, and it was a little bit awkward, but definitely not difficult. After making sure the border fit, I just use it as a template to make the other one. I forgot to say that having a knife at hand is handy. This way I know exactly where to dig. Now that the border is in place, it's time to sow some nasturtiums. I've chosen a peach-colored variety called Cherry Rose. I've never seen it firsthand, but I'm hoping it will look amazing here. And here it is, the final result. The flowers are not so peachy, but rather cherry-colored, like the name suggests. It's taken quite some time for them to bloom, but with a little bit of patience, it's worth it.